we gained some steam on the super fast pen shifters here. This is what we got here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Check this out. Check this out. It's the one I made for the old mom here. Uses the fast profile paper or whatever. Hopefully it's common at her work. So neutral is nice and sloppy. Even bounces back from fifth there, pretty nice. Let's see, reverses, and just like in the BM, and then pop out, and then clunk it, clunk it. Sorry, I'm just so distracted with the toy. I'm not even focused on filming. But yeah, this is hopefully you can hear it click in, because it does click in really good. Anyway. Oh, friggity. I love that. Okay, and we have the old traditional 5-speed, but you know, 6 speeds including reverse, 1 pen. Let's see. Let's give her 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, 3. Yeah, jeez, gonna blow her up on the highway. Come on, 5. There we go, 5. Yep. Obviously they work really good on a metal base. On the, well, I guess this is actually kind of fun too. If I was on the phone or something, I'd be like, oh, what? I have to write something down. Okay, and then, where's the hole? Back to playtime. I totally missed the hole and dipped it into some goo. Wow. This one's fresh, you can tell. Anyways, thanks for watching.